right now we're out by Montana Mountain, and I had heard that a couple months back they redid it for fire purposes. You know, they're being able to react quicker, get to the fires. I was hoping with the recent rain that we have all been getting over here that it would have washed out this area pretty bad and would have made it fun again. Turns out, not really. Yeah, like parts like this I would assume would have been much more rough, but yeah, just nothing. Well, I suppose I spoke a little too soon, huh? It's a little destroyed. I just got done talking about how this place was really unaffected by that. But that's the trail right there. All that area right in front of it is pulled out, so yeah, maybe a bike could get over that, but not this. So I'm in the wash area right next to it. There's a trail there. And it looks like people have been doing this for a while. So I'm just gonna follow this for a bit. And yeah, it's really close. I'm gonna follow this for a little bit until I can reconnect to the trail there. Alright, so now we're back on. So it's about 4:17. I got about an hour left, a little less, of sunlight. I really gotta stop pulling up the camp when it's already dark. But if there's cool stuff, I want to stop and take, check it out. So it's hard for me to actually there before dark. I think once we get to Dave's camp spot, I'll stop there, set up camp. Hopefully there's still a little bit of light left. Normally I would probably just use my propane fire pit, but these mosquitoes are just relentless, so I'm probably just gonna get a little fire going. Hopefully that'll ward off some of them. The spot that Dave recommended, this is nice. Of course people trashed it. You just can't stop it anymore. There's tent stakes, there's a bunch of plastic spoons on the floor. There's just stuff everywhere. So I'll get all that cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and make me some dinner. I just bought some of those cheap little ribbon steaks. I can't remember the name. Oops. So make those. Got some eggs for the morning, so I do some steak and eggs. And yeah, should be easy. Between the nonprofit work and family, it was way too much for me at the time, and so I've had to ease back on a lot of things and try to just reprioritize everything. And yeah, hopefully things now are where they can work a little bit and I can start getting out again, at least now that it's going to be a little cooler. Of course, Land Cruiser needed so much maintenance. I had to do the front axles, the rear axles, the seals really, and just hundreds of small things that I things that were going bad and I wasn't paying attention or fixing, like my little 12-volt hub in there that I was using would go out, it would stop working, and I kept trying to figure out why my jackery was always dead, and it was because it wasn't charging. It would charge for a little bit, turn off, charge for a little bit, turn off. I kept losing internet, I kept losing the ability to charge all my cameras and stuff. And it's small stuff, that are definitely first world problems, but little things that need to be fixed. There's still some more things I got to fix on it. I got to get home really early in the morning because I got some stuff to do, so probably cut it here then. But thank you guys for watching and sticking around. I really appreciate everybody for the support that you guys have been giving me. I really do appreciate it. Can't beat this, man. Yeah, just can't beat it. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you in the next one.